Another database that you're going to find really helpful is cqresearcher, and this is Congressional Quarterly. And so again, you're in your list of databases, click on cqresearcher. cqresearcher gives you a lot of background information about big issues and topics. And so again, you get to this page, it looks almost like a regular website, which it is. Click on Advanced Search, and here enter your words and phrases. You notice that there's only one search field, and that's because I can't type and talk at the same time. That's because you're looking at big issues here. Instead of looking for very specific journal articles that address it, you're looking for a report, okay? You notice that here you can specify dates. Do not do that with cqresearcher because some of their background information will be old, but it'll lead you to newer places, okay? So let's go ahead and search this bad boy. No Child Left Behind. And you'll see that they have a huge report that you can read. They also have, if you already know what you're looking at or looking for, such as diversity, psychological stress of testing, whatever it is, you can look at those as well. We're going to look at No Child Left Behind, the big report. Yes, it was published in 2005, but since you can have some older articles, this is perfectly fine. I want you to see the sections here, and you have this on the left-hand side. You can view and save the PDF if you want. It's a huge file, but if you want to save this, I would recommend it, and then you'll have all this information at your fingertips. They always give you an introduction, overview, and background, and that information can really help you with elements of your exposito if you're having problems finding that information. They also tell you what things are like right now, and then they future it for you. If you're having problems thinking about what a problem might be, they actually also give you a pro and con section. If you want to know the history of it, they give you a very nice chronology, and then they give you maps and graphs and a bibliography. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. So what I want to do is just take you down to the chronology and let you see they give you a timeline and then all of the information. Some of it is legal action, some is when bills or laws were passed. Just wonderful, wonderful information. Another thing I want you to see is the bibliography. And they start with books, of course. Then they also give you articles, and since this is published in 2005, most of those articles are going to be fairly old. But in the reports and studies, this is a list of major reports from major educational organizations. And so even though these reports are from 04 or 05, if you click on the websites for these major organizations, they're probably going to have more recent material available. That's what you want to look for, okay? Another thing you want to look for is the footnotes to the actual article, because the footnotes will sometimes lead you to really good information that you can click on to get more information, okay? So this is what cqresearcher does for you. It's just to look at your topic in a very broad, overviewy kind of way. You'll see that I have also looked here at the PDF file. This PDF file is 24 pages long, and I can't move. There it is. If I want to save it, then I can. I don't want to save it there though. Right. I can save it to my desktop, and it is actually only about a meg, which is not really bad. Okay, so this one is not so bad, and that's how to use cqresearcher.